Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best White Brite Laundry Whitener is probably one of the most effective and versatile laundry additives available on the market today, designed to tackle stubborn stains and yellowing that regular detergents often leave behind, ensuring your whites stay brilliantly white and your colors remain vibrant without the harshness of bleach, making it an essential addition to your laundry routine for achieving professional-level cleaning results right at home. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry with Earth Breeze. These innovative sheets offer a powerful clean without the plastic jug. Our eco-friendly formula tackles tough stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. It's gentle on your skin and the planet. Forget messy liquids. These compact sheets are perfect for travel and easy to store. They dissolve completely in both hot and cold water cycles. Enjoy a refreshing scent with every wash. Each package provides 60 loads of powerful, liquidless cleaning. Experience a deep clean that's also kind to your skin. These sheets are designed for sensitive skin and effective stain removal. Make the switch to a cleaner, greener laundry routine. Earth Breeze sheets are the smart choice for modern living. What we like? Looking for a sustainable laundry solution? These sheets offer an eco-friendly, liquidless way to clean your clothes. If you're always on the go or want to reduce plastic waste, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? They dissolve well. I have used them on small loads with delicate items on cold often and have no issues. Not overly scented after a wash, my clothes smell clean and are clean. My clothes came out clean and smelled nice. It's also so nice not having to lug around that heavy jug of detergent. And these take up no space. It's nice. Number 4. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. Are you tired of stubborn stains ruining your baby's clothes? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed for the messiest eaters. This powerful spray works wonders on all sorts of messes, from food and grease to coffee. Simply spray and watch the stains disappear. Formulated with your baby's delicate skin in mind, it's safe for all fabrics. You can trust it to clean without causing damage. Its compact 4-ounce size makes it ideal for keeping in your diaper bag or car. Tackle unexpected spills wherever life takes you. Don't limit its use to just baby essentials. It's also perfect for refreshing your own laundry, underwear, and other fabrics. Save time and money with this effective stain remover. No need for costly dry cleaning when you have this spray on hand. What we like? Dealing with stubborn food or grease stains? This spray is designed to lift even the messiest of messes from various fabrics. If you have young children or frequently encounter tough stains, this is a must-have in your laundry arsenal. What people say? This spray works like magic on everything from pasta sauce and fruit stains to those mysterious mystery spots that somehow appear on children's clothing. The formulation is clearly well-researched and designed specifically for the types of stains that babies and toddlers create. I appreciate that it's gentle enough for baby clothes while being powerful enough to handle serious stains. It is like magic. You spray it on, let it sit for a moment, and watch the stain practically disappear. Number 3. Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets 25-pack. Introducing our powerful washing machine cleaner tablets. Designed to tackle tough residue and buildup, they ensure a cleaner wash every time. Tired of pet hair clinging to your clothes? These tablets effectively rinse away trapped pet hair, leaving your laundry fresh and clean. Our cleaner is compatible with all types of washing machines, including front load, top load, and HE models. Enjoy a thorough clean regardless of your machine type. These tablets go beyond the drum, reaching seals, hoses, and pipes. They provide a deep clean to every hidden corner of your appliance. Get a pack of 25 tablets for long-lasting freshness and performance. Keep your washing machine in top condition with regular use. What we like? Is pet hair a constant battle in your laundry? These tablets are formulated to break down residue and effectively remove trapped pet hair. If you own pets and struggle with lingering fur in your washing machine, these are ideal for a thorough clean. What people say? It does a great job of whitening my clothes. I love how it makes my whites look so bright and clean. It is very easy to use and does not require any special instructions. Number 2. Tide Washing Machine Cleaner with Oxy. Tired of odors and residue in your washing machine? Our powerful cleaner is designed to tackle tough buildup, leaving your machine fresh and clean. This deep cleaning formula with Oxy penetrates and breaks down the grime that affects your laundry's freshness. Say goodbye to lingering smells and hidden dirt. Whether you have a front loader or a top loader, this cleaner is effective for all types of washing machines. It ensures a thorough clean every time. With a 5-month supply, you can maintain a clean washing machine with ease. Keep your appliance in top condition with regular use. A clean washer means cleaner clothes. Restore your machine's performance and ensure your laundry comes out smelling great. What we like? Tired of lingering odors and residue in your washing machine? This cleaner harnesses Oxy technology for a deep clean that tackles tough smells and buildup. If you're looking for a powerful solution to keep your washer fresh and efficient, consider this option. What people say. It's easy to use and doesn't require any specific washing mode. Normal mode is enough. And the cleaner really will remove the odor that's so annoying. Specially formulated to eliminate odors, residues, and grime, this cleaner restores your machine to its optimal condition, ensuring your laundry comes out fresh and clean every time. The powder is very easy to use and has a lovely scent, leaving my washing machine looking great after it cleans on sterilized setting. The powder itself is white and looks pretty effective at getting rid of even the nastiest of smells. Number 1. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Laundry Oxy Powder. Introducing the Pink Stuff Laundry Oxy Powder, your new secret weapon against tough stains. Experience a revolutionary clean that keeps your colors vibrant. Don't let stains ruin your favorite clothes. This powerful formula is designed to tackle even the most stubborn marks, while protecting the integrity of your colored fabrics. Discover the miracle of the pink stuff. Its oxy action penetrates deep to lift away dirt and grime, leaving your laundry looking and smelling fresh. Get more value with our generous 1 kilogram pack. You'll have plenty of this incredible stain remover to keep your wardrobe looking its best, wash after wash. Simply add it to your wash and let it work its magic. Achieve brilliant, noticeable results with minimal effort. Your laundry routine just got a whole lot easier. Make the Pink Stuff Laundry Oxy Powder a staple in your laundry room. It's the essential solution for anyone who wants clean, bright, and stain-free clothes. What we like? Need a reliable stain remover that works on colors? This powder offers powerful stain-fighting capabilities without damaging your fabrics. If you have a variety of colored clothes and want a versatile, effective stain remover, this large tub is a great value. What people say? It works great for whitening whites. This whitener is very effective at removing stains and brightening fabrics. I love how this whitener makes my clothes look brand new again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.